Hello everyone, in this video, how to make 4 color gradient in Photoshop. Let's begin. I apply two methods. Apply method on create a new layer, click the gradient tool, select drop down menu, click gradient plate color on red, some red, and again double click, apply the same process, double click, double click again, move solid or add effect, then click OK and choose style, liner style, radial, etc. Example use liner, then draw anywhere, and now we can see this added or color gradient. And step 2 or method 2, create again new layer, right click, use rectangle color, press enter, then create a rectangle, select the rectangle layer, double click, gradient overlay, and apply same process, color 1, color 2, double click, color 3, color 4, and use liner, radial, reflected angle, scale, move anywhere, reverse. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.